Hamper has two different meanings. A hamper can be a basket containing fruits or food or maybe some gift items, as in the phrase a gift hamper. It usually comes with a cover or a lid. To hamper as a verb is to make something more difficult. It is to impede the progress of something. Let's have a clipping here.
The travellers are hampered by dangerous dust storms. Females and calves can easily get separated from the main herd.
The travelers are hampered by dangerous dust storms. Females and calves can easily get separated from the main herd. Hampered by dangerous dust storms. Hopefully we are getting the meaning here. Another word in the clipping was the word herd. Herd is what we in Hindi call jhund. So जानवरों का झुंड is a herd. Another good usage. This project is being hampered by the lack of resources. So the progress of this project is being hindered or disrupted because of the lack of resources.
I'm a OD boy.
Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.
Boy.
Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by